Hello everyone. So we don't have very many pre-made pockets per se with this series or this moon one. It looks like I only have one, so I thought we could use some of the other stuff as pre-made pockets. So let's go on with what we're doing then. You're not gonna get pre-made pockets with every digital kit you get. That isn't gonna happen. But some kits you can fiddle a little with the different pieces to it. So like this one, I'm particularly trying to just fiddle with it. So we got that one piece done. Now here are the two envelopes, so we'll do this envelope first. If you don't get it right glued down the first time, you can always go back and glue it down better later on. There we go. We've got this envelope done. Actually, I am going to pull that other one of these out because these envelopes are definitely not going to be good for anything but envelopes. Actually, doesn't matter which way it's facing. This one, it doesn't seem to matter too much. I kind of like this, but I kind of just want to cut this part off. So that's what I'm going to do. Sometimes you can make your envelopes into pockets easily. You just gotta make the effort to make it the way you want it. That can go back in there. That can go in the tray here. This can go in the tray. And then I have these two. Now you can make the choice of sewing these things. I'm not going to. But again, this makes a lot of pre-made ephemera. And you can choose where you want it to go. So 2 pages worth, or 4 pages worth, I should say. So I just got done watching the new Elvis movie. I'm not sure what I think of it. I mean, some of them, I'm a big Tom Hanks fan and all that jazz, and I love his acting. But this one was kind of like not my favorite in the world. There's a clog in it. There. But the movie wasn't, again, the best, I think. It says Elvis on it, but in all reality, it was more about his manager than it was about him. It was from his manager's perspective. Which made it quite interesting, I must say. But at the same time, I don't know what to think of it. This is when I tried showing my children how to do neurographic art. That was kind of fun. Again, it's just having a hard time getting out. I think I may have to clean my topper again, which happens. That is one thing I do not like about art glitter glue, is constantly having to clean the top part. But there we go. We got our few pages with the items in it. So I'm happy about that. It'll be soon time to do the covers, I hope. But again, sometimes digitals come with pockets, sometimes digitals don't. And sometimes you can make way and make your envelopes into pockets instead of that. It all depends on you. You can be creative with this stuff. You don't have to use it for what the person who made it had in mind. And that's one thing I do love about digitals. So I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day or night. Bye.